Hi everyone, and welcome to Hello I, your personal career coach, designed to help you at every stage of your professional journey. Whether you're looking for a new job, wanting to perform better in your current role, or figuring out what skills to develop for your future next career move, Hello I is here to guide you every step of the way. In today's video, we are going to walk you through exactly how to use Hello I to simplify your job search, so you can not only land your next role faster, but maybe even land a better role. And because let's be honest, job hunting can feel overwhelming. Different job descriptions, multiple applications, multiple systems, resumes, cover letters, interviews. It's a lot. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all alone. With Hello I, the entire process becomes clear, structured, and personalized, giving you the exact tools to stand out, save time, and focus on what really matters, getting that offer. All right, so let's get started. And let's start from the very beginning. And the very beginning starts with the sign up. So you just need to go on helloi.ai, and then you can go and click on the sign up button. Once you actually do that, what it is going to bring you is this page where you can choose if you sign up with your Google account or with your LinkedIn, or sign up just with your email. When you first sign up, Hello I will ask you a few questions about your background, things like your current role, years of experience, and the type of positions you're interested in. Then it'll ask you to upload your resume. Now, don't worry if your resume isn't perfect. In fact, that's one of the reasons Hello I exists. It will build and improve it for you every time you apply to a new job. Once you're done with the setup, you will land on your personal dashboard. Next, let's go to your profile. You can access this by clicking on your picture on your top right corner. Now here, you will find all the information about you, your education, experience, certifications, and skills. Please make sure that those are accurate. And there is one key part you don't want to skip, which is your duties per each of the roles that you actually had. Now, for each of your past positions, take a few minutes to add your main responsibilities. You don't want to worry about your accomplishments because Hello I will generate those for you automatically every single time that you will need to actually tailor one of your resumes for a specific role. Now comes the exciting part. So you can go back to the homepage, and now let's create your first tailored resume. You just need to go on find a new role and then generate resume. Now just find a role that you would like to apply for on any website that you want to. It could be on LinkedIn, it could be directly on the career site of any companies that you would like, and then just copy the job description of that application that you would like to do, copy it inside Hello I. The platform then will ask you a couple of questions here about the company, role, and number of applicants. Sometimes websites like LinkedIn are going to put the number of applicants. So we just can copy the name of the company and the number of applicants here. Now here it is where the real magic happens. Hello I, what has done, it has analyzed the job description line by line, compare it to what it really knows about you. You will see here two numbers. One is the compatibility and one is the interview likelihood. The compatibility shows you how closely your background matches with what the company is asking for. What the likelihood to be called is your potential chances to be shortlisted. These numbers help you see immediately if you're a strong fit, yes or no. But there is one reminder here. These results are only as strong as the information Hello I has about you. If some areas seems off or incomplete, that's where the Improve Score button comes in. If you click on the Improve Score button, what you will actually see is that HelloI is going to show you exactly what you might be missing, specific skills, experiences, or details the system can't find inside your profile. This feature is extremely key for two reasons. First, by answering those questions, HelloI can create the best possible version of your resume for that specific role. And second, HelloI saves your answers, so it won't ask them ever again, so that the more you use it, the smarter and more precise it becomes. So you just need to actually click on each of the questions and then answer those questions as best as you can. And then once you're done, you just need to click on Done, Create Resumes. In seconds, HelloI will generate a professional, fully customized resume that align with the job description, highlighting your relevant achievements and experiences. You can then scroll down and download it, and you're done. And that's it. You're now ready to use HelloI to transform your job search from endless editing to targeted precision. In our next video, we'll go deeper into how to customize your cover letters, track your progresses, and use AI insight to sharpen even further your job strategy.